Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play Store download pending on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, so we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we need to go straight into apps. Now click on see all, and you need to find Google Play Store right in here. Here it is. Simply tap on it. And we have to click on storage and cache, and we have to clear the storage and also the cache. Just like that. Okay, and also we need to make sure that the settings of the date and time are set to automatic, because if this option is turned off, that is why this often blocks sync. So to do it, go and find the system. Now go into date and time and make sure that set time automatically, and also the time zone is enabled to set automatically. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.